Hi everyone, this is Kathy, and I wanted to talk to you about a common thing that happens with my clients, that they have their meds but they don't want to throw them out because their names are on them or they don't know what to do with the medication. So this is what I do. I take their bottles, I axe off their name so they can't see it. You can Sharpie it or whatever. Empty them, put them into a bag. Okay, so all the old meds are here that weren't taken or used. And so the same thing with here, you can just take a Sharpie, put out the person's name, and then you're all ready to just throw them out. So they can go quickly right into the dumpster, into the recycle bin. And then what will happen with these meds right here is we're just going to take them to CVS, zip them up, take them to CVS, and CVS will dispose of them for you. You don't want to throw meds down the toilet or in the trash because it could be hazardous. So definitely dump out your medication, stick them in a bag, put them in your car. Next time you go to a CVS, drop them off and they'll take your meds for you. And that way you can quickly and easily dispose of all these right into the recycle bin. That's my tip for today.